What's up, guys? How you doing today? And welcome to another action-packed episode of JDTV Co. Okay, ready, Nick?
Ready.
Hey, Nick, did we have a little drama this week? A little bit? We fired up a couple Cornwell dealers?
Oh, yeah.
In case you missed it, somehow the store acquired a few cases of purple-handled vessel screwdrivers, right?
I know nothing about it.
Allegedly. And guys were mad. But I found them on a sidewalk. And I took them and sold them. Right?
I don't know anything about it. I wasn't here that day.
Yeah, so some of the Cornwell guys lost their mind. It's not fair. Life's not fair, buddy. Get over it. I'm mad. I'm mad every day of my life. It happens. All right, listen. Enough of that. At the end of the day, they're all gone anyway, right, Nick? So
Yes.
it's like it never even happened. Mr. Cornwell guy, please forget it ever happened, because at the end of the day,
It didn't.
it didn't even happen. Maybe it never even happened. Did you ever think of that? Maybe it was just smoke and mirrors to get you guys riled up. Is that possible?
Very possible.
You leave it up to your imagination. Okay, let's talk tools. I got a bevy of stuff. It's some exciting stuff that's going to be happening very, very soon. All right. At the end of the day, JDTco, we have tools manufactured. We manufacture tools. We buy tools from every warehouse manufacturer in the country, and we also specialize in what, Nick?
Closeouts.
Closeout deals. And this was a closeout deal we did a couple months back, and I was in the back getting ready for Black Friday, making some room, and I found a few more boxes of these. This is a Crescent bolt cutter, fiberglass handle, so you can, if you do something electrical, you might not die. But these are on Amazon for $163. That's insane.
That is insane.
$163 on Amazon, and they're the cheapest. Mine, $75. That's a deal, right?
That is a deal.
It's a deal. I'm sitting here and I grabbed the box off the shelf and I did a price check and I'm like, Jesus! And that was on there from when we first got them. So I was like, man, we're too cheap.
I was ready to drop the price.
Nick was going to drop the price. I said, drop it, raise it. But anyway, it's $75. That is a deal. And I'm not going to drop this because guys have headphones on. That's the new consider, Nick. What do you think about that? And real quick, we still have a few of these left, and the new quarter's coming, so the deals are changing. But this is the Milwaukee 3/8 drive high-speed ratchet with a free battery. $169.95 with a free battery. One more time, how much is the battery, Nick?
Free.
Let me put it to the side, because I'm going to burn right through this stuff, okay? Nobody's faster than me. Why are these forged batteries here?
Because we have a lot of them.
We have a lot of forged batteries, 8.0. These things, listen, we just had two guys, and they're plumbers, leave the store, and that guy couldn't stop talking about forged batteries, right?
Yeah.
He said, he goes, I just jump-started my van to get here with a forged battery. He was normally, apparently he does it all the time, he said too. Direct. He puts a piece of cable, metal cable, in each terminal and just jumps it like that. Caveman, barbaric stuff. I would never do that, but this guy apparently does it all the time. And
I don't know if you can consider that a van, though. That was more of a truck.
Well, it was a Transit.
Yeah.
But he says he normally uses used to use a 5.0 battery, and he goes, it would instantly kill the battery to start a truck. He said he did it today with his forge, and it didn't even drop one bar. Okay? Now, we're not telling you to do that here at JDTco. I'm just telling you the story of what this guy said to me. Nice guy too, right?
Yeah, very nice guy. I guess it works.
Apparently it works, and he's very good at it. Maybe he should buy some new batteries, but I didn't want to get into it. I was trying to be nice to the guy.
Maybe the jump starter, but also...
Maybe the jump pack. There's a lot of options, but he seemed to be very, very happy and content with using the Milwaukee battery and some stripped cables wire. I'll pray for him tonight. All right. Today's Friday. We're going to release the video today. I'll be on an airplane Tuesday going where, Nick?
Oh, Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, Nevada. What am I going to do there, Nick?
What are you really going to do?
What am I really going to do there?
Oh, you're going to party. That's what you said this morning.
Yeah. I'm going out there with I'm going out there with my very good friend, Rob Ferretti. Big fan, big friend, good guy. And we're meeting up with who, Nick?
Chrisfix.
And me and Chris were just talking this morning, and we're gonna do a little something crazy. We have a bunch of these left, and we're gonna do. And that's the start of this. I was in my side room, cleaning up for Black Friday, and I found a few cases that were signed. I thought they were all gone.
Yeah, they were hiding.
But he was in a store and he signed a bunch of them for us. So I found a few cases of these, and Chris sent up 300 keychains, Chrisfix keychains. If you ever met Chrisfix, he walks around with these in his pocket all the time, and if you're a fan, he gives you one. And he leaves these all over the world, and I just left one in Scotland too. Did you see that video?
I did.
I left one in Scotland for his fans. Good. Listen, Chris is a good guy. He's a good guy. We're not only are, he's just a good human being and gives back. All the proceeds for his tools go to charity, and we sell all his tools right here, right?
We do.
Okay, so I'm gonna meet up with him out there. He's gonna do a giveaway. Whatever we have left, we're gonna sell. We have signed ones. We have keychains. So everybody's gonna get a keychain, and some guys are gonna get a signed one. Okay, nice, right?
Yeah. While supplies last.
While supplies last. And I'll let you know another little secret. Chris is going to be doing a signing at SEMA at... Hang on. I don't want to mess it up.
I forgot the name already.
I did. I was talking to him this morning. He's going to be at the Van True booth at the North Hall, spot 1061. Okay? He'll be there Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 3 to 4, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. Shout out Chrisfix. JD Tico is always on your team, right? Nick doesn't like him, but I do.
That is not true.
No, you like Chris. Chris is a good guy. I'm going to be hanging out with him. I like Chris. Good people. Okay, so we've got the Chrisfix stuff out of the way, got the closeouts out of the way, got the Milwaukee stuff out of the way. Moving right along. What are we going to talk about? The Vim stuff?
What are those boxes?
Oh, you want to do an unboxing?
Sure.
We want to talk about this. We'll talk about this too. Okay, we just got a bunch of Mayu stuff in, and we really got to start pushing more Mayu because I love Mayu, and it's an American-made company. We have a great relationship with them, and we could be doing so much more with them. Private branding, stuff like that. We just gotta get.
There's something else in there.
There's tools in there.
Definitely something else in there.
Nick, how many times have you been
throwing tools away?
Throwing tools away.
A few.
It's crazy.
Most of the time
we catch it.
You catch it.
We catch it.
There's definitely been.
Yeah.
Definitely. There's no way that has never happened.
It's we have box storage where we keep all our used boxes because we reuse a lot of boxes, and we have new boxes obviously. And like you go to grab a box and you feel something in there, it's like Jesus. That's usually when was other employees working here, but wow, this is a mess. You see, this is why you shouldn't do live TV, guys. Right? Just speed me up, bud. Woo! Okay, I'm back. With the chisel holder, I think it's 21 pieces.
29.
29 piece total, right? So you're gonna get everything here is made in the USA. Okay? You have a complete set of roll pin punches. Hang on. A complete set of roll pin punches. A complete set of extractors. A complete chisel, center punch, drift pin set. All made in USA with the holder. And these we posted, and these went absolutely, what, Nick?
Viral.
Bonkers viral.
Bonkers viral.
Bonkers viral. Not viral, bonkers viral. And how much is this?
$139.95.
$139.95. And made in the USA. I mean, guys, it's the new, it's going to be the new way of the world. All made in USA tools. Imagine that, like perfect nirvana. Ah, a boy could dream, a boy could dream. Anyway, while we got them, let's get them, and let's continue with the unboxing. Which one's this?
I don't know.
Oh, listen. I love Mayu. This one's a tough tiger to get out of the box. And guys, listen to me. Fair warning, this is very hard to get out of the box, okay? If you have on earbuds or headphones, please mute them. It's very tight. Anyway, This is a 10-piece screw extractor set. And a little fun fact, we had a guy come here yesterday with a service truck. That was the nicest service truck I've ever seen in my life. I posted a picture. Is that you did a YouTube short with that one?
I did.
The video we did yesterday before this one, we did a YouTube short of this guy's truck. It's beautiful. And this is the set he actually bought. This is an extractor set, again, made in USA. And this goes from 5/16, in case you got to take a little screw out of the back of your watch, all the way up to a mind-staggering 1.5 inches. Okay?
That's big.
That's big. That's what that's what he was doing yesterday. He was working on a 3/4 bolt, so he needed this big set. And it comes with the full extractor set. How many pieces is this? 10 piece, and a free set of brass punches. Okay? Now I get a lot of heat when I say this, but wait, how much is this?
$119.95.
$119.95. You're gonna get everything here. Now, Nick, they're gonna get mad, but I'm gonna say it anyway because I have to. When you're done with these, you can scrap them and get your money back.
Yeah, or just keep them.
This is brass. This is more than steel. Some guy's like, that's only like 30 cents worth of steel. Why are you lying? I'm trying to be funny. I'm sorry. I mean, do
How
people...
dare you?
How dare you try to insert your personality into your YouTube channel? I mean, come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's have some fun and mix it up. It's not serious. It's just tools. And I mean, like, if you want somebody, you know, you want somebody who's going to talk nice and quiet, watch the guy with the beer costume. Used to wear the beer costume. Okay. Air hammers, air chisels. We have these posted separate because a lot of guys are not going to want to buy everything all together. And this is all made in USA, except for this set right here. This isn't. This is the the 5-piece pickle fork kit. Could you zoom in on that, please?
Wow.
Okay. Did they want to see it? I don't want to get. You know what?
Yeah.
They're gonna want to see it, right? And I'm gonna get dirty. I don't want to get. I hate getting dirty. You walk on a Snap-on truck, and I don't care what anybody says. You walk on a Snap-on truck and buy one pickle fork adapter for your ear hammer. It's going to cost probably $120. And if you know how much it is, leave in the comments below. So how much is JD Tico for the 5-piece Mayu set?
$129.95.
Really? So see, I didn't even know that. So with Snap-on, you're probably going to get one. With us, you're going to get 5. And that's a deal. And yes, this has a lifetime warranty. But you have to break it first. It says it right in the box too. Okay? But wait, there's more. 3 more separate things, okay? This one here is the 5-piece body panel tool set. It's going to have the ripper, the separator, all that. How much is this?
That one is $79.95.
$79.95. That's a bargain. Again, made in USA. Price the Snap-on one piece of this. One piece. Let me know in the comments. I don't know. I'm still saving up to be a Snap-on dealer. Okay, this one right here is the 5-piece chisel and scraper set. This is nice too. And how much is this one?
$89.95.
$89.95. Again, price Snap-on. This is made in USA. They probably make them for Snap-on. What do you think? Maybe? Maybe?
Perhaps.
Looks like maybe?
Perhaps.
We don't know. What do we know? And this clearly would be the 5-piece exhaust, pipe, and muffler set. Okay? And how much is this little gem here?
That one is $79.95.
$79.95. Guys, do the math. Save money. Put food on your family's table, not some corporate fat-ass guy who doesn't care if you lived or died and just cares about getting a bigger boat or a faster car or another lake house. Right?
Sure.
I talk about this all the time. Oh, yeah. And listen, guys. Support the small guys out there. $59.95. 3-piece devil finger set. And while we still have stickers, so we're still shipping with stickers, correct?
Yeah, we still have a bunch prepackaged with stickers.
Yeah, so let's go. $59.95. And do we talk about this?
I don't think so.
This Farm Show magazine, a literal magazine, did an article about the devil finger. And when I tell you, we sold a bunch of them because of this article, right?
Yes, we did.
And this is, well, clearly it's for farmers. And how do we know, Nick? Because they all call the farmers?
Yeah, they all call and do a phone order because nobody has internet.
I ain't got that internet thing out here. One guy sent us a letter to buy
did?
one. Sent us an actual letter. Hey, I seen your thing. I'd like to buy one. Send me a letter back. Could you imagine? I love it. This is pure Americana.
Yeah, it is very. It keeps things interesting.
It does, and VC loves it. Where's VC today? Selling the house?
I think so.
I'm gonna fire VC. Actually, VC's leaving. She started her own company. FrictionRing.com. Okay, let me show you what's in here. It says get clipped at FrictionRing.com. She should be here to do a commercial for her product, but she's not. But we love her anyway. Okay, this is a magnetic thing that'll stick to your toolbox. And inside is an install tool, 3/8 and 1/2 inch, and 6 clips. 6 3/8, 6 1/2 inch with the rubber, designed particularly for your Milwaukee impacts. Never drop a socket again. $24.95, pre-packaged, magnetic. Stick it to your toolbox or to plate in the side of your head. Wow. Okay. Then came out this set too. This is pretty cool. 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. This is like the problem solver, but they stole my idea. I think they stole my idea.
Perhaps.
Perhaps. Whatever. I'm not. This is what the tool business is these days. Okay. 3-piece set for your impact, and then 3-piece set for the again for your hand ratchet or something like that, and it'll fit any size bit. 1/4 inch, 5/16, and it comes on this nice magnetic holder, and it's $59.95. Very nice set. You can do a lot of things with this, and it's purple. These things seem to be all the rage too. Any size extension, tight spots, ratcheting, metric, standard, 129.
Just metric.
Oh, this ain't standard?
No, one's bigger than the other.
Oh, I never really seen one before. Yeah, this goes 8 to 13, and this one goes 14 to 18. They didn't put 19 on here? That's fucking crazy. Oh no, 19. It's been a long week, guys. It's been a long, crazy week. Okay. Anyway, both sets in stock. App, website, call the store. Come to the store. If you have a service truck, come on in. We're doing a service truck challenge. Nicest service truck wins. And right now, you got a long way to go, guys. We done here?
We're done.
Like we always say, come for the price, stay for the show. Peace.